Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Like we all know, Indonesia has a lot of tourism destination. I'm gonna say, almost every part in this country has its own tourist destination. Like we all know, for the example, we all know that the island of Bali is one of the most overrated tourism destination in Indonesia. But Like we all know, Indonesia is not just Bali. Indonesia is a lot bigger than Bali, and for a tourist destination, you have to explore a lot of place in Indonesia in our country that has so many different and next level experience of tourism, except for Bali, because like I said, Indonesia is not just Bali. We just gonna go to the east of Indonesia. There's a place called Mandalika. Nah, like we all know, in Indonesia, Mandalika is a very popular spot for watch the MotoGP, because the new circuit has been built there. I think it's about 5 years ago in 2018. The Mandalika circuit is open for the international event like the World Race MotoGP. So, what is so interesting with this place called Mandalika? So I'm gonna say that Mandalika has a lot of beach, um, a lot of culinary dishes, a lot of amazing view and culture. So Mandalika is not part of the Bali, but it's part of the Lombok Island. I'm sorry, it's part of the Nusa Archipelago, Southwest. I'm sorry, not of the Southwest Nusa Archipelago. Um, it's very large island. It's so many different from the. It's a bit different from Bali, I guess. So Mandalika is not just popular about the circuit for the MotoGP, but Mandalika is also very popular with the beach, like one of their beach name like Seger Beach, Serenting Beach, Maui Beach, Kuta Beach, Mandalika Kuta Beach, and then Tanjung Aan Beach. So there's also some cultural village like like Sade Village, Ende Village. Um, Most of them have a very different culture in Bali. Most of the citizens in those villages make some traditional have a traditional product, and also they have a very traditional dance. Okay. How about the culinary? There's so many. There's there's also one of the favorite dishes, the popular dishes. They call it sate bulayak. This sate is made of the beef meat with coconut milk, and it's with special condiment from Lombok area. But how long and how does if we want to get to the Mandalika? Well, if you choose the airways, you can go to the Zainuddin Lombok International Airport in Zainuddin Abdul Majid. Eh, from this airport, you can take a flight, and it's gonna need 1 hour trip to get Mandalika. But if you think that the airways is very expensive, you can choose the waterways. You can travel through the sea. Um, you can you can you can across you can you can go across to Mandalika from Lombok with ferry from the Padang Bay Airport in Bali. Um, with from Padang Bay to the Lembar Port in Lombok, and then from Lembar Port you just have to need 45 minutes with 22 kilometer in the groundways. You can take a trip. You can use public transportation, or you can just choose bus or Gojek to go to the Mandalika. Okay, so how does it cost? Okay, there's so many options. Like if you want to, okay, okay, if you want to go to the Mandalika, for example, you want to watch MotoGP, you can buy it. You can buy the ticket from 115 rupiah until 431 rupiah. Okay. It's a bit. I'm gonna say it's very cheap cost for the ticket to watch MotoGP, because it's gonna be, yeah, if you want to go travel you have to spend a lot of money, but I think you're not gonna have to spend. I'm gonna say you're not gonna spend 5,000 rupiah. If I'm sorry, you're not gonna spend 5 million rupiah to go to the Mandalika. And then I'm gonna say this is the one of the most cheapest destination in Indonesia, except beside Bali. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.